So right now I'm heading downtown to meet with my friends because the Pokemon Regional Championships is happening in Toronto this year. Last year we got into the hobby of collecting Pokemon cards. So there's going to be a lot of vendors, a lot of things happening at the event. We're going to go pick up some cards and have some fun downtown. It's cute.
Great, thank you so much. The damage has been done.
These are all the cards I ended up picking up. The first one is En's Reshiram from Journey Together. I've ripped so many packs of Journey Together to find this card. I think the art on this card is just so pretty. I got the Blissey X Full Art. This was my favorite pull from the day. I've been wanting to get this card for a long time. At every table I was asking if they had this card and no one could find it for me until the last one we went to, and they managed to find one in the back. I got this Whimsicott X Full Art. I traded in 2 of my older cards. It didn't amount to too much, just $3, but I got this from a $3 binder and I think it's really cute. I also got this Pikachu VMAX. I have a page in my binder that's just full of fat Pikachus, so I grabbed this one as well as this one. This is the Flying Pikachu VMAX. And then I also got Lucia's Appeal. I think this card is really cute. I think Lucia is really cute. I really like the art of this card. And I'm adding it to a full page of trainers, which I really like. I also got this Iono Full Art card, again for the full page of trainers that I have. And I think the art on this is really pretty. I really like Iona's character design too. So I grabbed this one. I got this Altaria card. It's not specifically Lucia's Altaria, but it's got her on it. And I have a page of trainers and their Pokemon. So I plan to put this card in that page. And then the last card I have is this Turtwig one that my friend Alex got me. He knows that Turtwig is one of my favorite Pokemon, so he grabbed this one for me too. So these are all the cards that I got from the regional tournament. So today I'm gonna go out and try to have another productive day. I'm going to a cafe with a friend to try and get some work done. I'm just trying to be a little productive with a friend today.
How can I find satisfaction? I fill my time with more distraction.
Oh, they're so blue.
I'm in my head. I just wanna turn it off. Just wanna turn it off. I'm good as long as I'm productive, even if it's self-destructive. Someone needs me, gotta say yes. I miss my bed, but I keep running instead. I keep...
Today I'm going to the library to print out a vinyl wrap to put around a tea canister that I have. And then I brought some books with me, so I might also end up going to a cafe afterwards. Oh my god, it's so cold. Something I'm trying to do this year is learn to enjoy time by myself more. I'm definitely more of an extrovert, but as I've gotten older, I've come to really enjoy my time alone in my own space.
but I want to become comfortable enough to go out and have a meal on my own or plan activities for myself without other people being there with me. Cafes feel like a comfortable place to start, but I'd like to do more of this in other spaces too. We're going to a Korean buffet. We've been to this place before, but it used to be just a regular restaurant, but it had a banchan buffet, but they turned it into a full buffet recently, so we wanted to go check it out now that it's been changed. Usually when we eat together, we end up going to a cafe afterwards for some dessert, or we'll go shopping after. But there's not really like a plan in place. The plan is just lunch and then whatever we end up getting up to.